Alright folks, here comes the incoming BNSF train. Engine number 87, this is 8275. Oh, and this one has just like containers from the Oakland yard. Alright folks, looks like it's now carrying those vehicles, those box train cars inside them that could be carrying vehicles inside them. And we got the gas and oil tanker. Wow. And we got some engines in the back. 9154 and 7576. Nice. There goes off that train. I don't know where it's going, and I don't know what's the digit letters of this train. There goes off that train. The BNSF. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.